Just like with factoring integers, when we factor polynomials, we're taking a big polynomial and we're splitting it up as a product of two smaller ones. So multiplication in reverse is just factorization. So multiplication we would take, for example, say 2x squared times 3x to the fifth, and we multiply them. 2x squared times 3x to the fifth. This equals 6x to the seventh power. And factorization would be the opposite. So we would start with this big 6x to the seventh, and we would realize that we could break it up as a product of 2x squared times 3x to the fifth. But what's different about factorization is not exactly multiplication in reverse, because there's more freedom. There's only one way to multiply two polynomials, but there are lots of ways to factor a polynomial in general. So we could also factor this as not just 2x squared times 3x to the fifth, but we could do 6 times x to the seventh. We could do 2x to the sixth times 3x. There are lots of different ways we could decide to break it up. So there's some freedom in factorization that we don't have in multiplication.